This is just your basic lock, and this is a very nice kit. Got a couple of tools that removes this little metal piece, and then this cylinder actually goes, well, it's actually a plunger. It actually goes in the cylinder. These are the different pins. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and take this metal piece out. You'll need this tool. As you can see, this is a little piece right here. This is what kind of locks your door. It's all greased up. See how it's designed. And once you have that removing tool in it, what you're going to do is pop it right out. This is the inside. This little cap right here, little metal piece, holds all your pins and springs in there. That little retaining clip right on the back of the cylinder. It's a little C clip. That is what we're going to take out, and that's what removes the cylinder here. Let's take that out. So we got the C clip out, the retaining clip on the back of it. Just to let you see, I went ahead and took that top off, and you see all the springs in there. These springs actually have top pins underneath them, and that cap puts tension on those springs to push the top pins down. When the original key is not in there to push the pins up so that you can move the cylinder around, those top pins are pushed down, so that's what makes your lock lock. Now, after we have the original key, I'm going to go ahead and put that top back on, and then we're going to put that plunger in and take that cylinder out, and I'll show you the bottom pins. Okay, so we get the top plate back on. So what we want to do, we have that retaining clip off, turn your key about 90 degrees. That way the springs are pushing down on the top pins, and it's on the flat part of the cylinder. And then the pins are actually right above where that key is sitting. So let's put the plunger in, and then I'll show you. Okay, we got our plunger in, and then we're going to slowly push it out. See all the top pins? We want to push it all the way through, so that way the plunger is actually holding all those pins in place, so the springs aren't pushing out, and then these are all in place. So what we'll do is we'll just dump these here, and we removed all the pins. We're going to remove the original key, and then we have a new set of keys, and we're going to cheat a little. If you ever wondered what these numbers are on the back of your key, see the 16454, so it corresponds to the pins. See that there's a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 6. That's what these pins are. So it's telling us from the front to back you go 1 to 4, and that's what we're going to place into our cylinder, the new pins. So we got our new pin combination in there. See how they go up? This is how it happens when your key goes into the cylinder. See how they go up and down until the right pins are sitting right where they need to. See how it's flush like that? That's exactly how it needs to, so it can spin freely into the lock. So we got the cylinder with the new pins, and we push it out completely. See how it just goes? And so now we test it. See how our key freely just moves around? So we've successfully rekeyed the lock to this new key. Is this piece that helps us lock our door. We're going to push it all the way. You hear the snap. Okay. We've successfully rekeyed our lock to a new key.